In this video, we are going to fix 0x8024000E Windows 11 update error. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you can do is that you need to run the troubleshooter for Windows update. So how we can do that, at day start, make a right click, scroll up, and then click on the settings. Once you have opened the settings window, you need to proceed here at the left pane, proceed to system, click on it. And then under the system settings, you need to scroll down and locate for troubleshoot. Afterwards, you'll see these three options. Proceed to the other troubleshooters. And under the most frequent, run the troubleshooter for Windows Update. Okay? So click on run here. Wait until the process would be finished. And once you are done, try to run the Windows Update again and check if it's working. However, if not, then you need to navigate to the next solution. The next solution would be you need to reset the Windows components. How we can do that? You need to proceed to the YouTube description first, okay? Then copy the code there to reset the Windows components. Once you have copied, please paste it here at the notepad. Please click on File, go with Saved As. Once done, you need to navigate here at the desktop first, okay? As your location, and then you can rename it. So in my case, I'll be renaming it into wufix.bat. Don't worry because you can rename anything here as long as you have added an extension for .bat. So click on saved, and then you may close this window. Navigate to the .bat file that you have created, make a right click, and then you need to go with run as administrator. Once done, you need to wait until this process would be finished. Wait until this would be done. It will take some time, but please be patient until this would be finished. And once you're good, you need to check if it's working, okay? So check the Windows update again and check if it's working. Now, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day.